Good morning, chat. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, I think I'm gonna plan for a bit of a shorter stream. Still going with following the schedule, just not do it. I'm gonna try not to do a whole lot of extra today. So I've got stuff I need to do off stream. Ideally, we finish the noise stuff for sprites. That's the goal. And it might be worth getting our first Twitter post out there. Maybe. We'll see. But before any of that, gotta do our startup ritual. Dailies! What? Fun. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, that fixed it. Like, it happened again. The same problem that's been happening like every other day. It happened again. But then just clicking that fixed it. I don't understand. Computers are magic. That's my only answer. And while I was going to run domains off stream, I realized yesterday that today's Sunday, so all the domains are open. And that I didn't have anything else planned for a startup. So, for startup, let's see if we can crown Chaska's skill. Come on, Genshin. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh, probably gonna have to re-up that. Let's see, 138. Actually, I guess I should try to craft first. Oh, craftable Mount 9. Interesting. Has that always been there? I don't remember that. I'm very confused by that. Oh, this is... okay. I forgot which one I was doing. All right. Recharge. Easy peasy. Don't even need the other characters. Alright, let's go convert our resin and see where we're at on those materials. Converted. Good. Balance. This one. Right? Yeah. Boo. Black. But still not enough to crown by the look of it. Hey there, Soul Warding. You are here very early today. No school today? Nice. Oh no! I need more of these stupid teeth! No! They're respawning? Fascinating. I thought they respawned at daily reset, but apparently they have their own separate timer. Fascinating. Well, I guess I won't be phrasing that today. Because I'm certainly not sitting around here for over a half hour just to be able to start farming that. Let's see. I guess I could do a week. Well, let's see how many teeth we can craft first. Should get a decent number. But now that's gonna be like all the teeth gone per set. Oh, but it is enough teeth. Nice. Okay, so I just need 2 more golds. So we can crown the skill today. Excellent. Oh, not that one. That one. Let's go. Excuse you. Thank you. You're not allowed to survive my laser. Ugh. Well, that was an awful run. Gross.
Silence.
Wait a second. Am I looking at this wrong? Only 3 tiers. Waiting a second. Do I have enough? Yes. More than enough. Whoops. Whoops, whoops. There we go. Chaska. Enjoy. Oh no! I'm out of Mora? What is happening, Jat? That's illegal. Grab this Mora. That'll be enough, but... What? I was sitting pretty at like 5 million not too long ago. Where did it all go?
Water comes in many flavors.
That's... Alrighty. Let's see, we're 13-ish minutes in. I might actually run ley lines. Oh, you know what? Sure, let's do card games. What noobs are we gonna wreck this week? Hello, Nanaya Yumi. What have you got? Oh no, those might actually be difficult. Ah, I only need to play 2 of them. Who do we got? Qingzhou and Patton. Patton, you sound like a scrub. Oh no, got actual cards. It's fine. Good. Okay. Good. Good. Sure. I'll need to spend a turn buffing for like setting up, but it's fine. Okay, got 3 cryo, that's... No, don't give me another cryo, that's not what I want. Hey, Paimon, get out here. There. I am half tempted to play this. Oh, they're applying Dendro every round with this. That's not great for me. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm making no attacks this round, but that's fine. If I'm really lucky, they're gonna switch to a new character and not attack. Ooh, they're gonna burst, probably. Okay, perfect setup for what I want to do. That's awful. Okay, or just don't give me something. That's fine too. Oop. You're gonna burst. Will that kill me? Uh-huh. Illegal! Shenanigans! But it's fine. She will likely kill me. She did not kill me. That's not awesome. What is my play here? I think my best play is to use burst. And it's not a great play, I'll be real. Let's go ahead and throw Timmy out there. That's all I got. No bueno. Now they're gonna apply Dendro at the start of the turn. That's a lot of Geo. Yeah, saw that coming. I think my only play is to just start hammering out the damage and just hope for the best. Don't switch. Oh, I need them to not switch again. Okay, okay, okay. We're okay. This works out. This works out fine, actually. We'll tune that. That. We'll throw that out. Is that the play? Could also get this played potential. Go ahead and do the damage, then we'll regroup. Because I want that Mona burst out of here. Alright. What else can I do? Tune that. Grab an extra energy. And we'll get some card draw. Let's go! Dvalin for the win. Always for the win. So my damage is about to be cut way down because of the Dendro application. Ooh. It's also real bad. No. No, no, no. I could grab a kill or set this up. Let's set up the high damage thing real quick. Throw out another Timmy. Hurt those. Because assuming I don't die during this, I should be... Oh, never mind. Never mind, chat. Mistakes were made! Could do Wankomaru. Oh, actually, I can do both of these. Here, Wankomaru. Throw out Covenant of Rock. Get 2 energy. Put on a hat. And now we're done with our turn. Ooh. Stop hurting me. Oh, nice.
Speed of light.
Oh,
The wind rises.
just barely. Patton, I'll have to remember you. Team could work. Let's do it real quick. Should be easier than the last deck. And we can have a setup turn. Ew, gross. Hate that card.
The insolent shall be punished.
Let's see. My hand looking like? Oh, I have no energy requirements right now. That's fine. Oh, got energy reduction. So I really have no requirements. I could actually throw out Dvalin's attack this turn. Do it. Nice. Saved an Animo. Dvalin, you're up. Let's tune this one. And have at it, Dvalin. Nice. Just chunking damage out. Love it. Throw out a Timmy. And pass. Ew. Gross. Give me some animo, please. Or not. Alright. Wow! Game! Rude. Honestly, I'm wanting that card draw just for tuning, because I've got nothing. Use that for tuning. Use Demi for tuning. Honestly, let's use all that for tuning. We'll draw cards. And now we've got plenty for tuning. Awesome. Go ahead and place that and hope we get some more animo. Animo? No. Alright. Thanks. Let's do this. Oh. Why are you not reducing? I mean, I can still pull this off. Just gonna use my entire hand. Wait, oh, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. I looked at the health and saw the 5 and go, oh, that's all I have for energy. Or that's the cost. And that was very dumb. Oh. The next turn, I should do just a weak attack. There we go. That's more like it. Give me all that animo. Okay, takes me out. Flop Plunderer. Pop that. Oh, we're done. Yay! And it's time to get to work. Past time, actually, but close enough. Can we buy? Would I want dynamics? I don't actually use any of these characters, but some of these just look cool. Ah, new Valette, of course. There we go. Okay, All purchased up. Oh, right. I haven't checked Teapot in several days.
This realm.
Still no level 10. Very unfortunate. Can buy more here, but that's 200,000 a week. That's not much. That's gonna cost me 2,400. Not worth it.
If you ever
I can run some more ley lines. Fine. Okay. Oh. Where were we? Right, I had a few different techniques I wanted to start applying. Because I really like the idea of having this, like, shifted perspective on the grass. But that's for a later time. Let me... Oh, apparently I have been really wanting to make notes about improving performance. Alright. Let's repurpose this. Create new play world. Using file set and viewed grass. I guess it'll be not just grass, but it'll also be water, won't it? It might be tricky to get these things to stitch together if I have multiple elevations. I'll have to play around with it. So, where did we leave off on Sprite noise? Right now, none of them have noise. And if I recall correctly... oh, right, I was trying to figure out why some of them don't get noise applied. That's right. Right now, none of them have noise. It's just that the effect is too minor. Surely that's not it. Surely sure. What did I do? I broke did it. What the heck did I do? I'll make sure that's a float. That should not have been the problem. That was not the problem. Note is there. What did I do? Break it pin. Right is not B. Cast it to Sprite 2D. Okay. All of that's very, very normal. Seriously, what the heck happened? Did I break the shader code? No. I guess I can do a dumb test here. Var test equals texture rect new. Test.texture is noise 1. And sprite.addChild test. Pretty basic. Right. Hold on. Let's do a more basic test. Oh, right. I forgot about that. My bad. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Also, one thing I want to see here. This isn't quite right. Because I'm getting actual patterns here, and it should just be random. Is it possible that I'm multiplying wrong? If I do that, how does it change? Well, that's definitely not right. I know what it is. I know what it is. But I'm not taking scale into account. Hold on. Need to see what this is first. Scale is 1-1. So how do I get the full scaling? Godot, get actual scale. Scale is stored in the magnitude of vector 3 basis from a long time ago. That's not what I want. Well, let's see what options I have. Global scale. Let's see what that prints out. Because if that prints out 2, then I'm done. What? What do you mean 0.00001? How does that make even the slightest bit of sense? Go global scale. Alright, but I'm not finding anything about this. Global transform get scale. Okay. I can try that. Let's see what happens. Oh, right. Because... Oh... Before the animation plays, the scale is, of course, 0. Oh, I just messed myself up. Okay, so what if... This isn't gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. Divide that by sprite dot scale. It's not gonna work, like I said. But I want to see what it prints out. Let's simplify it a little bit. So I think I'm gonna get the same number. Basically. Okay. So I basically just want to take out its own scale. So another way to do this is going to be get parent. Global transform X. This works the way I expect. It should print out 2. Please work. That's not 2. Right. Oh. Ooh, right. Because I'm not scaling the sprite in the animation. I'm actually scaling the slime character body. Okay, what do I get with this? This should be a 2. Pretty fleet. Well, that's troublesome. That's very troublesome. Let's just keep going up and see what happens. Do I eventually get the 2 I want? Yes. I just have to go up 3 steps. How do I handle it? What if I do Sprite dot get parent dot scale what does this do? Unfortunately, that's doing what I expected. And what's weird, I'm getting a 1 for that. That shouldn't be the case, right? Pretty sure I should be getting a 2. Because this prints out a 2, right? Yeah. So how does tiled the scale of 1 at a smaller transform or smaller scale than a parent? Says global scale is non-existent. Global scale exists? That's probably not correct, but hey, that's fine. Take this off. I should get an error. Yep, that's correct. One more off, and this will probably print out 1. Very annoying. Yep. That doesn't make it... What's the point of having global scale if it's not actually global? Like, this is relative scale right now. Clean slate. How to solve. How to solve. I could walk up the tree and grab the scales as I go. But that's awful, performance-wise. I could store something like a global variable. Call it global scale. I'll have to consistently remember to apply that. But it is a better solution, so that's what we're doing. Gross, 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 gross. Hey, globals, where you at? Now, let's apply that in Playworld. Right now, what I'm doing, I've set the scale here. Instead, let's set it in here. Hold on. Better yet. Excuse me. All right. That's slightly nicer. Just slightly. Now. Okay. Now. Good. There we go. Okay, the noise is now applied correctly. But, for some reason, certain slimes are not getting it. In case I already did that. Well, that's not good. My thought was, if there's a race condition with the queue free, maybe that's the problem. That's not what... Let's see, Godot shader not applying to large number of... Right. Use a back buffer copy to outline the resultant. I know how to apply an outline shader, single sprite. I want to apply an outline shader, several sprites. I assume you would draw all the sprites to some texture that apply the shader. Texture, then apply shader to the texture, but I don't know how to do this with... So, here's a picture demonstrating what I mean. Don't want... Huh. Out back buffer copy child texture rectangle that had a 1x1 black child failed to fit the screen. Then I made child camera node. Neat. Very neat. But not the problem I'm having. Trying to figure out what I would even test to find this, because it's giving me the error like 1 out of every 20 to 40 slimes that pop up. How can I test for it? Like, I'd love to just be able to click on a slime and it say, hey, I'm this slime. Maybe I can do that. Hold on. That's something I can do. An input of an as input pickable to be true. I could just put a button on them. I think I'll do that. Add button. E. There. Will this work? Nope. Ah. Material is null. Interesting. I don't know why that would be, but interesting. I print that one, fine. Wait. That one's null too. How? Oh. That was dumb. Okay, there is a shader material. There is a texture. I think that's what I want. But without autocomplete, I'm not positive. Hey! There's something. There's one. There you are. I need to get more printouts. Kinda just need all of them. Not that. Finally on a path to solving this. Okay. Show me a broken one. Wait, 16 is symmetrical? What? How am I gonna see this with my eyes? Raise triangle with black mark. They are definitely not symmetrical. Or this is definitely not symmetrical. So something else is happening. My strength is 1. Those ratios perfect. Have rolls. Okay. So on the controls, they're using different files. Scales are correct. Do this. Actually, no, let's not do it that way. Right. Duty. I want 2 of you. Actually, I'll copy it after I set this. Awesome. this one. Flip horizontal. Is this a one-to-one comparison? Not really. Because I'm not tiling this at all. But let's just do we ever hit a point where they interfere destructively? Not seeing it. If it happens, there should be like a single frame as I'm scrolling past where it's really obvious. Hold on. How else can I test this? I know. I could change the shader that's being applied to something that doesn't use random noise. That's an option. What's a shader I don't like? Or that I can just use for junk testing? I have no idea what I was doing in here, which means it's perfect. Okay. Don't need any parameters. What's this do? Probably gonna make them all invisible. Which, you know, good enough. I was hoping at least one slime would show up, because that would tell me it's something in the shaders breaking. I have no idea what to test now. I'm at a loss, chat. If you've got any ideas, you let me know. I'm out of thoughts. What can I do? So, what is the issue here? Oh, one thing I can test that'll isolate this a bit better. We're not going to set noise 2's texture. Why are there none that are visible, or that don't have the noise? Also doesn't make sense. Put that back in. While noise1.texture equals noise2.texture and noise1.vflip flip v equal to noise2.flip. Grab a new one. Does this eliminate it? Because if it does, that means I've just messed up the H-flip. Well, I see 1, 2. So if we're flipping the H, the horizontal, Cal UV 1 X is multiplied by -1 and shifted to the right by 1. Is that correct? So we're scaling the UV. Then we mod it. I don't think this is right, but like with many things, I want to see what it does. I feel like this shouldn't be working. These are also not right, but I'm kind of out of useful ideas. I think I'm gonna take a break. I have no idea. Let's go learn some new spells. Maybe. We'll see where we get. Really doesn't make any sense to me how it seems to be like sporadic.
For centuries, Mistralia's inhabitants led happy,
Don't tell me that you're not working again. Why? Oh, okay. Just have to look at that screen and suddenly it works. Sure. Whatever you say, Steam. Ooh. Oh. Hello, big boy. Road. Ow. Ah. And we're done. Much better. What you got for me? Ooh, I've learned move. Okay, we are now applying move to our Actus. And you know what? Let's also apply it to our Creo, our Eddie. Oh, can't apply it to that one. Okay. What about Ego? Yeah. Nice. Ooh. Fancy. So what's back here? A bridge. I'll take it. Plus, I have a projectile. Hello. I think I needed 4 of those bags, right? Yep. Oh, there it is. Why are you here, witch? You're not attacking me? I'm too old for that nonsense. But if you don't tell me why you're trespassing in my forest, I might make an exception. I'm supposed to cleanse these woods. Do you know where this path leads? Oh, you've come to the right place. The wood wretch has returned and he's angry. The wood what? Twigs! The giant wood wretch! That grim fellow keeps growing back every 30 years or so. But he came back faster this time. Source of the corruption. That's why I'm here. Oh, a mage are you? You can't reach him though. What? Twigs! You can't reach him! I've locked him up so he can't cause too much trouble. How am I going to cleanse the woods then? Tell you what, the wood wretch's corruption took over my braziers. Braziers? I never know how to pronounce that word. When it last rained. Braziers is probably correct. So I've always just said braziers, and I'm pretty sure that's just bras. It's the same thing. Light all 3 braziers, and I'll give you the key. Okay, so we're burning bras. Got it. What? I should go back and check out that cave. Oh. That'll work. I'll take it. Let's go. Oh man. We're zooming now. That's awesome. Old mines. Oh. Got it. Did not know those would come in here. Oh, I can't blow those up yet. Very sad. What a waste! There we go, full health. Oh, hello. Oh, they're picking themselves back up. Okay, so I've got to attack them. I've got to attack them after they're downed. Got it, got it, got it. Rude. Far too much damage. Nice. Woo. This is awkward. Better. Okay. Dude, that spell's nice. I can only imagine what I'm gonna come up with more behaviors, like nest together. Hello, little friend. Why do you want to hurt me, friend? And done. We'll talk to Old Goblin after I look around here. Never mind. There's nowhere to look around. Hello, Old Goblin. Perfect! I can finally go mushroom picking. As promised, here's the key. Good luck fighting twigs! Oh, thanks. Alright, Twigs. What do you got? Oh. Oh, hello, big boy. Nope, that was not, nope. Okay, so that, I need that spell switch back. Ah. And come on. There we go. Whoa! I definitely should have paid attention to the fact that there were skeletons all around me. Oops. Wait, that's how far back the last save point was? Oh, tell me I'm not redoing all that. No, 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 okay. That switch is already lit. Out of my way. I got a boss to fight. Let's do this, Twigs. Come on. Come on. Okay, so that does work. Good. Oh, I could have been shooting in there during that. Okay, eyebrow time. Ooh. Okay, so get ready for him to do his breath attack. Don't feel like that was worth it. Okay, so I can get one hit in during that. Little lame, but... What? Excuse you? Okay, eyebrow time. Also, these guys. Go, and now I can just unload. Good. Oh, that was so much better. Yeah, I know you're angry. Oh. Okay. Get a shot. Oh. Messed that up. Get that healing. All right. Got him. 1, 2, and 3. Huzzah! We win? Yeah, we win. Defeat the giant wood wretch. Is he becoming a bridge right now? I feel like he became a bridge. Ooh, what's the us? Ooh, permanent increases. Love that. Maybe he's not a bridge.
I think we can consider the woods cleansed.
I certainly hope so.
Your mentor said he'd be waiting in Grayleaf. You better report to him. You can reach the village by going north past the bridge.
And for those who were not here yesterday, that was the voice we settled on, and it doesn't matter that he's not evil, that's his voice. Are we sneaking into the back of Greyleaf? Yes. I feel that there is less evil in the woods. It was an easy job, and you succeeded as expected. Taking care of the wood wretch is considered an easy job for mages. The wood wretch? I saw such a creature in You saw such a creature in Mistral Woods? Life is easy. Just burn it. What? What? What is happening? The eclipse is bewildering, yes. Are you talking about this shadow over the sun? Yes! There have been eclipses before, long ago, and they always make magic go wild in various ways, different each time. So this is an unknown, rightly to be feared. Change will likely come to the valley. We must learn more, but our observatory is old. Its sky shard has long been depleted. Maybe you can do something about it. What? You can investigate places that you can investigate places that if known mages traveled to them would bring down the armies of the Marquis. Investigate places that... And great harm would come to the valley in the fighting that would follow. The counselor is watchful. Okay. But where? Right now, go to the Sky Temple. It was built long ago to observe the stars. Find the instruments that are there. If we're lucky, one of them might still have its power source, the Sky Shard. Bring it back to me. I'll try. That is all any of us can do. Over the bridge in the swamps is a way to the rise. There you will find a path leading to the Sky Temple. On your way, be watchful. This eclipse will upset many and cause turmoil in the valley. Monsters may well be waking up all over Mistralia. So beware. But as I said, life is easy. Just burn everything. Like your cottage, with your family in it. You're not supposed to be here. Tessa. But wait, do you know anything about this shadow over the sun? I don't like it at all. Yeah. So. I just want to be able to get into this town finally. Are buildings real? Or are they just blocks? I think they're just blocks. My wife's birthday soon. Could you lend me some? 75? Sure. Why not? I've yet to find anything to spend that on, so sure. Take all my money. These apparently shops don't exist in this world. Oh, that's probably Rachel. Got the bags! Awesome. And you just gave, okay. Nope. They replenish your life energy. Okay. No, I don't want to scare it. Thank you. Okay, I found one thing I can spend money on. What's this? Okay, I get the feeling I am missing something. But one more look outside, then we'll save and move on with the work. How do I reach? Down. Yeah, man. Move faster, little girl. Blacksmith. Excellent. Can I pay you to upgrade stuff for me? No? No, apparently not. Okay. Okay. What about over here? Nothing there. That's just out of town. Okay. Woods, the Highlands. I assume I cannot go to Highlands yet. Right. Sure, I'll buy it. Yay! Magic Lily Bulb. And I can't do anything. Alright. Come on, game. Save. Pretty please. Pretty please. Save. There we go. Now, back to not understanding anything that's happening here. So, we proved that it's not that the shaders are just breaking, right? Is that valid? Probably not. Yeah, no. This should cause no change. Show me. Okay. So what is potentially happening? That out. Save. Do I have any more that have I want to do here. I think this will help. There's the answer. The flip is not actually flipping, it doesn't look like. Double check it real quick. But yeah, I think the flips are just not doing anything. Okay, finally solved it. Or at least found the problem. Question now is, how do I fix it? First thing to check does this line even work? Because there's two questions here, right? One is, are these bools being considered properly? Two, does the line even work? The line... Toggle comment. Okay, so what am I coming in here with? I have a single texture for both. I'm trying to flip the horizontal for the second copy. I'm gonna throw this on here just in case something silly is happening. Like if it's being passed as a reference and so it's... Okay. That answers that. So it is just this line that isn't doing anything. Or at the very least, isn't doing what I think it's doing. Show shader to flip texture. No, I want very simply. Rotate a texture in a shader after it's Maybe there will just be an example on here. I am vaguely curious about this one. But you're not gonna show an animated example. Alright. Let's search a different way. Flip in, maybe? Rotate texture might give me some hint. That did not give me a hint. Here's a question. 2D transformation mate. Let's talk. Flip X. Not careful with your frame orientation. Pipeline or a likely bad hair day. This is rotation about a y-axis, not what I'm looking for. This is rotation about each axis. Can I use that somehow? It really should just be multiplied by -1, as far as I can tell. That does nothing. How does that do nothing? Noise 1, tiled UV1, noise texture 1. Don't tell me. Oh man, I am stupid. The reason these lines didn't do anything is because they're not doing anything. Dude, I cannot believe I struggled with that for so long. Okay. Double check this. Yep. There are none that don't have the noise applied. Oh, that took me way too long to figure out. But I learned a whole bunch of new tools for investigating, so that's kind of cool, I guess. Fine, get rid of that button. Play world. How do you look? I'm so used to the dramatic effect, I'm having trouble seeing if it's being applied or not. Yes, it is there. Just as a check. Oop. Those don't have noise applied. Why? What did I do wrong now? Oh. There we go. My bad. Did not remove all the testing code. Actually, let's just ramp up the effect again just so I don't even have to question it. I want there to be no question in my mind that it's working. Okay, I think we're in the clear, finally. Okay. What's our next work item? Improve performance. Oh boy. Let's see about getting stuff committed first. Don't need that. That one's fine. That one's fine. Funny that. What all happened? Oh, that's just turning up the brightness on that sprite. Added the sprite noise. Character base. Right, that is definitely necessary. Novice brightened up the colors. I'll leave it. It's good to have that explicit in there. What was I doing here? Testing is what I was doing. I do not want to commit that, but I want to keep it in my local copy, I think. Let's discard it, actually. That one's fine. Good. Ocean mode 0. Oh. I'll assume that's safe. Played around with physics. That's fine. What did we do in this? Don't think I need to commit that. Don't need to commit that. Static noise I do need to commit. Health bar. Meh. Noise pre-renderer. What do I do here? Guess I fixed it. All right. Apply noise to sprites. Minor fixes throughout. What else? Created Sprite noise scene to handle shader material creation and config. Fixed player iframe animation. Move to process. Fix this. Fine. Vector 2. World scale to global. To generate pixel noise. Okay. Ooh. Page. Oh, how did I miss all this? Moved, noise, texture, manager, tone, file to be by both node noise and sprite. Okay, back to good. Let's go ahead and stage that. Can't hurt. Push it. Beautiful. Okay, performance. Oh boy. The only immediate thing I can think of to help with performance is we simplify the collision data for enemies. And the only way to do that, get rid of this hitbox. So first off, what is it doing? It is existing in damages player. The only way to improve this is add that logic into the character body, nuke this, then over in character base for It is masking damages player. And it's looking for area entered. But it needs to be looking for body entered. Yeah, this is going to have to change quite a bit. Hopefully this improves the performance significantly. Because if it doesn't, I'm going to feel like I wasted a lot of time. Iframe stopped. If hold on. This doesn't exist anywhere. It monitors damage to the player. Oh, I know how to do this. If damage not in body turn. Rename? No? Okay. So just node. Where is area coming from? Oh, okay, good. Oh, right. I think I should change this structure. On area body and oh wait, I don't have to do this way. Body entered. Hook that up to on. Hold on. Don't need that because the check's already in get in. Area entered. Hook that up to the same thing. Awesome. Now, so that'll work for basically anything that entered, right? Body shape and the other body in. Okay, so the body's going to have entered. Good. Shape. Okay. Should be good. Is it going to just work right out the gate? And maybe fix all the performance issues right now? That would be magical. Okay, damage is wrong. Also, I'm getting hit to the wrong direction. Why are they so spread out? Well, that doesn't make a lot of sense. Oh? Hold it. Whoa! Something clearly was going wrong. Don't need that. Debug visible collision shapes. See it. What's going on? Okay, so something weird was just happening. The direction still seems off. Huh. Oh, I don't have location defined on this guy. Oh yeah, I do. Right there. That seems about right. Might be a little bit high, but not by much. Honestly, should probably be at the exact same position as Shadow. Fine. A very minor change. Hey there, still needs work. How's it going? So, what am I messing up? Getting some homework done? Very nice. It's going pretty good. I fixed up the problems with the Sprite pixel noise. Now I'm trying to improve performance. Actually, before I even resolve the knockback direction issues and the damage, let's just see what the performance is with this. How did I fix it? I fixed it by fixing my garbage code. I had literally just not made a change when I thought I was making a change. Like, I just... the lines of code were just wrong. No ifs, ands, or buts. They were just wrong. Oh, I'm not printing! Ah! Oh. Of course. How are we gonna do? Certainly seems more stable at 60 so far. How far are you gonna get? No! That's illegal. How How did that not have any improvement? How? I just reduced the number of collision shapes in existence by 50% and it had 0 improvement. That's impossible. Maybe Get Kraken uses way too much processing power. What are those numbers standing for? On the left is the number of enemies in the world, and on the right is the current frame rate. And so I'm measuring my performance based on how many enemies I can maintain 60 FPS for. And there was a version of my game that I could handle 430 very easily. But now I start losing frames as early as 260. Worth noting, just from experimenting, I've noticed there's like a 2 printout delay. Standstill or moving. Character movement is irrelevant to this. Okay. So the only thing that exists... Oh, actually, let's just disable collision for a test. That'll tell me a lot. Graphics causing that? Probably not. So if I don't easily hit 430 with this, I have so many questions. Okay, so we're at 60 FPS. Absolutely no problem here. Here's an interesting question. Also, that looks very weird. And what's kind of neat is, even though they all started jumping from the same location, they're now spreading out, and that, like, really well proves how random my jumping is. Okay, so what can I do with this information? Let's re-enable it, but let's reduce the number of layers it exists in, because I'm wondering if it's not in multiple layers, like, does each layer potentially count as a separate physics body? Because if it does, I'm gonna have to actively work to reduce my layer count. So if it doesn't matter, I should start falling off in the like 250, 260 range. Okay, hold on. We start destabilizing around 330. Where were we destabilizing? So 330, what I'll mark that as. Please don't get to 330, because this was a really, really easy way to improve performance, and I'm hoping I can use it. No, 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 break. Okay. So yeah, somewhere between 250 and 260. So just by reducing my layers, I have improved performance by over 20%. Actually, about 30%, looks like. I'm gonna have to really, really pay attention to that then. Because anything with multiple layers is potentially gonna have a massive impact. Enemy base. Oh, refactoring, this is gonna be a lot of not fun. Here's another question. Does reducing the mask also improve performance? I'll bet it does. Let's only reduce the mask in slime so I can revert it easily. So the simplest one can be terrain. I want to just see what happens by disabling terrain core. How far are we going to get? So if anything, the performance got worse. Probably because it has more enemy-to-enemy interactions going on. So, if I have it no longer acknowledge enemy physics, this would be the same as removing it from existing in the enemy physics layer. So in theory, I should hit the 330-ish. In theory. Ooh. I fell off around the same spot. And just to be absolutely sure, slime, no masking. Yeah, beginning to wonder if I need to just like really reduce my layer count. Because I could theoretically reduce this down to terrain, player, enemy, item. Could just have 4 layers. It would severely limit what I can do. Now, if I just remove visible to player, where do I end up? $200. $50. And we're falling off. Oh, right, I still have these two. So, visible to player did nothing. Damages. Talk to me. Tell me your performance. $250. Falling off. Alright. Next layer. Damageable enemy. Interesting. I got a lot more. Now I need to test, is it just a matter of number of interactions? So I removed damageable enemy, right? So what on the novice is monitoring damageable enemy? Probably attack radius, right? Oh, no, no. Let's have that monitor. Then black. We're monitoring damageable enemies. Let's just add on a physics here for now. I'm probably going to revert all of this. So we fell off at a little over 330. So ideally, this should reduce down to 250 again. Okay, so it did not reduce down to 250, but it did reduce significantly. What does it tell me? It tells me I do need to limit my layer count, which is not fantastic. But there's clearly also a major impact from the physics simulation itself. A note. Minor improvement, if any. Reducing layer count seems to have a significant effect. Performance, but does not solve the issue completely. Okay. Let's revert back to where we were. Okay, slap is one that I want to change. Hitbox. Oop. What else? Novice, I changed something, I think. Oop. Hitbox. What else have I changed? A base. Don't worry about that stuff. Base. Did change collision layer. Oh, but I have to change collision layer, right? Okay. Got those back. All of that should be back to how it was. So I should be declining at or before 250 if I've properly reset all this. Oh, shoot. Pushed the wrong one. Looked like it was declining around 250. But I should run the test again to be positive. Okay, Godot. Do this again. And actually, enemy container, print. Out. All right. So whatever I'm at right now, it's falling off probably around 275. Probably somewhere around there. Maybe 280. Okay. What else can I do with the physics simulation to make this happier? If I increase the safe margin, what happens? Is performance impacted at all by the safe margins? Not seeing a ton of difference behavior. Ignore the hiccup there, that's for me changing windows. Okay. So minimal effect it looks like. And higher means worse. Oh, it only affects move and slide. That explains a lot. Shapes custom solver bias defines how much bodies react versus context separation. Default. Here are the default value from that is. Alright. Oh, I need to change it on enemy face. Okay. What happens? First, do I notice a behavior difference? Not really. He started planning later. Try it whole hog. What happens? Not really seeing a change in behavior still. $20, $50. Huh. Call it 270. And no, 260. Because of the delay. So that seems to have done basically nothing. What about changing it to a rectangle? I'm just very curious if the performance is going to be different. Now, obviously, the behavior is going to be all kinds of wonky. But the question is performance. About the same, maybe a little bit worse. So let me just reverse that with Get Kraken. Enemy base. Simplify. With collision shape overlaps with others. Take and share a bare minimum example. For collisions, cutting the number of collision shapes one way to help this. For enemy, maybe you could use something like zone system, only enable those close to the player. Might be worth looking at some of the project physics. I could take a look. What is that? Controls the maximum number of physics steps that can be simulated each rendered frame. Default value is to avoid spiral of death situations where expensive physics simulation trigger more expensive simulations indefinitely. However, the game will appear to slow down if your FPS is less than 1/max. This occurs even if delta is consistently calculations. To avoid this, steps per frame have increased 6 per frame significantly above its default. Let's just see what happens. In theory, I've simplified the physics by 50%. And I'm not feeling a huge difference right now. Like in terms of overall behavior, seems pretty similar. Where did we start to... Wait, we started to fall off sooner? No. Hold on. I'm running that again, and I'm not going to move the character. Because that's nonsense. No way. Huh. How does that make sense? So what if I increase it? That, in my mind, should decrease performance. But apparently my intuition is far from accurate. Okay, so that starts falling apart when I expect. Hold on. Literally get cracking. So roughly 230. Or a little before. It's a shame I can't have it just add enemies really fast. That delay makes it so I have to go slow. No, still about the same spot. At around 2:30-ish. Come on. You can do it. Okay, so it's falling off of the same spot. That just doesn't have an effect. Because I'm probably not hitting the maximum anyway. I am curious. What happens if I take it all the way down to 1? This should behave like garbage. But in theory, the performance should be better. Unless I'm just not hitting... I'm not even passing 1. Well, that answers that. It would appear that very few of my simulated events are passing 1 step per frame. Or you know. Let's see what happens. At this point, I'm just like, let's try everything. Okay. It fell off slightly sooner. Just slightly. Which could be just due to, you know, random hiccups. Now, what happens if that is 0? Still falling off the same place. For funsies, scale it way up and just see what happens. Seemingly nothing. Fell off sooner. Right. I forgot about that. We'll do more performance stuff tomorrow. That's the point. Oh, bit my tongue. Sorry, chat. A little difficult to talk with my tongue bitten. Anywho. That was an experience, but finished up Sprite Noise, which is big, right? Partially because the way I've done Sprite Noise can be applied to any node type that has a texture. The script might have to change slightly for certain node types, but in general, it should work for everything. So that's cool. And that's where I'm going to leave it today, folks. Everyone, thank you so much for joining. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. Check out my Ko-fi page, link in the description. You can help support the channel, and by doing so, you'll get access to dev tools I've made to help you make games, and roles in the Discord so you can request new features and apps from me. Above all that, though, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Take care, everyone.